Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I thought we would do a quick little strainer pour. I haven't done one of those in a long time. So I am using a canvas from one of my students that they didn't like the results, and we reused canvases around here, so don't want to waste. All right, so I have a whole big cup of paint that I just dumped all together from all their leftovers. So let's just get started. So I'm just pouring it out, let it go through the holes. Let's see how it's doing. There it goes, slowly. All right. Now I'll just give the paint a chance to catch up. It's just got to drain out. In the strainer, the holes in the strainers make a pattern. So usually it's pretty cool. I haven't done one in a long time, but it's a lot of fun. I've never done one with just random colors dumped together. It's usually like colors I picked and then layered in, and so this will be interesting. Now I'm going to lift it just a little bit because there's no legs on this one, so it's not going to drain completely until it gets lifted up. It's just sitting in the paint, so try to give it time to drain. Would love to see what's happening under there. The colors in the strainer are really pretty. All right, I'm going to move it. There we go. Oh wow, how pretty. Didn't know where my torch was. All right. That should get rid of the bubbles. Now let's just, I'm going to slowly rotate at first. See if I can keep part of the pattern. I am really liking that. That is so cool. Now I could have kept rotating to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, and then it would have had a swirly effect. But I'm trying, I decided I wanted to try to keep it straight forward this time. Maybe next time I'll do it swirl. Just if you swirl it in one direction, then it will, all the paints move in that same way, which would look cool too. So many options. There's always different options. All right, I think I'm gonna go off this corner real quick. Okay. Go with this one now. Turn it around so y'all can see it better. The paint back to the center. All right. Guess we can go off this corner. Yeah, I turn the camera, the canvas so much is so that y'all can, so I'm always facing the camera when I'm tilting. People have asked me, like, why do you always turn the canvas so much? That's why. When I'm not using a camera, then I just tilt it and don't turn it so often. So just thought I'd let you guys know the method to my madness. Okay, get this last corner. All right, I'm gonna get the paint back to center. I have a big old spot over here that's not covered. I think I have a glob of paint right here. Do y'all see it? Right there on the edge. Yep, look at that. Booger. Looked good. All right. Wow. This was fun. There's a lot happening in this. All right, I'm gonna let it set up for a few minutes and then I will bring you in for close-ups. All right, let's go in for some close-ups. The bottom right corner, traveling up to the top right corner. Lots and lots of color and lots of movement. It's the upper left corner. The lower left. And here's the action in the middle. Yep, definitely a lot of colors swirling all around. I love it. I think this is so much fun. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you think. Thanks for hanging with me. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.